Hold it for me, too. On the thing.
Should I? Oh. So I'm holding the camera. I'm the little brother. And I love when she's cooking. 'Cause she's an amazing cook.
Thank you.
Her food is amazing. Had a piece of the fish, and oh my goodness, it's so
I've
good.
been eating it too, so good.
It's so good.
Don't get me on the video.
Oh,
I'm not cute yet. Okay, half of the Maggi. And I'm gonna put the coconut in there.
the fish is so good. I think I should have a bigger piece. Oh my god.
So this has 6 servings, so I think I got 1 serving.
Are you making sauce waffle?
Yeah.
Yay, I'm learning.
Oh. Yeah, I remember you wanted to learn to do this, so
Yeah.
I didn't do anything fancy. So you right on time, you show exactly what I did.
I mean, that's good. I'm gonna watch. I want to be able to cook like you.
Basically, this is done. Okay? We're just gonna put water, and when it's boiling, it's done.
If I cook like this for my girlfriend, she'll never leave me.
And your girlfriend can cook, so you don't need
I
that.
know she can cook, but I want to cook for her sometimes.
Oh, you're crazy about this girl.
She's crazy about me too.
That's what I
So
do.
we're perfect for each other, you know.
Okay. Okay, I heard you. So I have this one. You can pause it. Oh, no, let me just put the water there. So you can pause it and then while we're talking and then...
Okay, so you put hot tomat and cocoa.
Is it on again?
Yeah, I didn't pause it.
Okay. I'm just gonna put... That's too much.
That's too much. That's what I was
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little...
Just a little bit of milk.
Even if you see it color like that, it's the for my good friends that love to give me advice. It is just the A piece.
Did you guys hear that? Ooh.
Oh, it needs more water, don't you think?
Oh, yeah, because we
You're
eat
gonna drink it all.
we eat a lot around here. So when she cooks, she has to make a lot of food. And her food is so
What
good.
I need to finish really quick because I have to go sleep.
Yeah. I have work in the morning too.
Oh, yeah. It was like 2.5.
2.5. So you're putting more?
That's about 4 cups all together. Okay, we're just gonna let it boil. Don't do anything in it. Just let it boil. When it boils, you can just put 1 Maggi or half if you like. It depends. So we're gonna taste it and then we're gonna put the salt. And that's it. When it's about done, we're gonna put the fish in it. We're gonna put the fish and we're gonna add the onions. So I'll be back.